You got on safety? Good shot, man. Did that black one drop right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know it spun pretty good.
Yeah, it did. Did you see the blood coming out? It was like, blah, blah. That one black one has got to be around here somewhere. Okay, let's check this one right here. I've seen this one fall hard. There it is. Oh yeah. We got blood right here. Blood right there. It's going right in. I think she's right in here. We're gonna go around that way. Oh yeah, baby. Right there. Anything?
Oh, yeah. Shouting first again, huh? Congrats.
Oh, yeah. Congratulations, brother. We watched y'all shot.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I couldn't get, I was trying to video. I mean, it wouldn't get just a shot. Dude, Russell. 3 of them staring at 20 yards. All ivory. I'm like, yeah. Like, Jim, there's trophies. Oh, I want a bunch of meat hogs. I'm like, all right. You know, 3 of them big teeth bitches, dude. The blue bar was, let's go. Well, we walked 350 and up. We walked 20 yards. I looked to my left. I'm like, oh shit, where's Jay? I seen y'all hogs standing out there in that field. A red hog, a black hog.
There's about 8 of them.
Yeah, and then I started seeing them everywhere. I'm like, oh, where's Jay? I'm like, there ain't no way he walked by the hog. I was telling Jim, I'm like, Jay, Jay. And then by the time I heard you whispering, like, he's on him. He's on him. What'd he end up getting?
He got a gilt.
Good deal, man.
Black.
Good deal. You saw that black son bitch out there was huge.
Yeah, we jumped on probably about 8 or 10 hogs. It was right there. And I mean, he had 2 of them. They were right next to each other. How he didn't hit both of them, I don't know.
Damn.
But he just dropped the one.
Hey, did the bullet explode? It didn't go through?
It went right through the shoulder, man.
Damn, that was sweet. And then we didn't walk 100 yards. He's dialed in at 100. Looked down the right away there, county line. They were going to you. I'm like, son of a bitch. So I tried to cut them off. There were several of them meat hogs. I didn't want to cross over, just hammock here.
Yeah, that's what I told him.
And I'm like, you know what? I told him, I said, let's get back. I said, we don't want to get in the crossfire here. Dude, big blue. Oh, yeah. He's from here at the damn post. Looking at this stirred, frozen, looking at him like, oh my God, Jim. Then, boop, black stuck his head up. Boop, Pied stuck his head up. I'm like, you got to be kidding me. This man ain't shooting trophies. There's 3 of them standing right here.
I'll tell you what Mr. Lynn would have done.
Oh, he already told me. He told me, he said, Lynn probably shot a damn trophy.
Yeah, as I said, Lynn don't have any restraint. He's going to do that. Then we're alone. He's going to do
$10 this morning.
Oh, we've seen one.
I mean, I'm talking nice ass racks in velvet, dude. All right, well, let these guys wait here, man. I'll go get the damn truck.
All right.
And since I'm walking all the way back, y'all just take it easy and get in the shade, guys.